morning, ma'am. My name is Melvin Tipado Jr. I am here to present these topics, which is the definition of affidavit, different types of affidavit, elements, parts of affidavit, and composed of legal implication. So, an affidavit is an official written statement setting out the facts of a case, and it's considered as the proof of a case. So first, what is affidavit? Affidavit, it is a verified formal sworn statement of a fact jotted down into a paper, signed by the person executing the same. Affidavit is a verified formal sworn statement of a fact signed by an affiant or author and witnessed by a notary public. So, affiant, the person who executed the affidavit. Attestation, a declaration that formally certifying the affidavit as true, genuine, or authentic. Perjury, it is a crime committed by any person who shall knowingly make untruthful statements or affidavits that is punishable by the RPC of the Philippines. So, what are the elements of affidavit? There are three essential elements to constitute a complete affidavit, which is, first, a written oath representing the facts as sworn by the affiant. Second is the signature of the affiant. Third is the attestation by an officer authorized to administer the oath that the affidavit was actually sworn by the affiant in the presence of the office. So there are four parts of affidavit. First is a statement that the affiant is swearing under oath to the truthfulness of the information contained in the affidavit. Second is the information that is being sworn to. Third is the signature of the affiant. Lastly is the attestation of a notary public or other official authorized to administer oath. Next is an affidavit composed of. First is commencement. It identifies the affiant. Second is individual averments. These are separate claims that are numbered as mandated by law. Third is statement of truth. A statement verifying that what is stated is true under oath. Fourth is attestation. A clause certifying the oath and the date made by the affiant. And lastly, signature. This is both signature of the affiant and the notary public. Legal implication of affidavit. An affidavit is an official written statement setting out of the facts of a case, and it is considered as the proof of a case. Second is, it is a main method to present the facts of a case to the court. It must be promised or declared usually before a justice of peace, commissioner of oaths of solicitor, as true record. Affidavits may also be a promise by the third person in support of a case. More evidence is provided by the affidavit. This allows a case to run more quickly and efficiently as parties know what evidence is before the court. So next is affidavit of arresting officers. An affidavit filled out by the arresting officer. It states that facts about circumstances about the arrest, the information which led to the arrest, and the observation made before and after of the arrest. So next is affidavit of complaint. It is a sworn or written statement charging a person with the offense. It is subscribed by the offended party and a peace officer of other public law officer. So the affidavit complaint contains the following: the name of the accused. Second is the designation of the offense. Third is the name of the offended party. Fourth is the approximate time of the commission of the offense. And lastly is the place of the offense. So next is the affidavit of witness. It is a legal binding document of writing testimony of a witness as a way for evidence to be presented in the court. It is filled out by a lawyer and then filled. It can also be a record testimony of an expert witness in certain cases. It must be truthful and not based in personal feelings or opinions. So lastly is the application for search warrant. Search warrants is a measure that should be encouraged earnestly to the end and that the police authorities will respect the constitutional and legal rights of the person whose premises are be subjected to search. The judge, before issuing the warrant, personally examine and the question and answer in writing and under oath. The complainant and any witness may produce and attach their sworn statement, together with any affidavit submitted. When the judge is satisfied of existence of facts upon application, then there is a probable cause to believe that they exist. So, as we seen above, an affidavit is crucial tool in a legal system arsenal for vetting the truthfulness of the deponent's claims and holding them accountable. Anyone could make false claims without an affidavit with the goal to deceive the courts. So that is for today's video, and thank you for watching. Peace.